I challenge my daughter to repeat the words I tell her. Kayanin kaya ng isang 1-year-old baby? Tara, sabay-sabay natin alamin. Excited na ako! Mommy. Mama. Daddy. Daddy. Ate. Daddy. Say daddy. Wow. Say wow. Wow, galing. Nice. Wow. Say apple. Say ball. Say cat. Dog. Say dog. Very good. Say egg. Egg. Very good. Fish. Fish. Very good. Say hot. Hot. Galing talaga. What's the next letter? It's I. Ink. Ink. High five. Up here. Wow, very good. Jar. Kite. Say kite. Sit down. Say lamp. Say lump. Say monkey. Say monkey. Maybe say monkey. Maybe Irie. Say monkey. Maybe wala na. Out of focus na. Say monkey. Very good. Say nest. Say nest. Nest. Ang sunod sa N. Oh, orange. Say orange. Dirty. Dirty. No, it's dirty. It's key. Say orange. Orange. Bilis na. Bilis na. Say orange. Wow. Say O-P. Sunod O-P-Q-R. O-P. Princess. Say princess. Say princess. Sige, medyo ano siya, mahirap. Say papa. Papa. Papa is pagkain for us. Yun yung ano niya, term. Q, queen. Queen. Baby, say queen. Very good. R, Rex. Say Rex. Baby, say Irie. Ginaya lang ako. Say Rex. Baby, say Rex. Sunod sa RS, snake. Say snake. Say snake. Baby, say snake. Snake. Uy, nag-hazard ang baby. Tingin ako ng face cream. Ka? Maybe say snake. Hanggang Z tayo. Say snake. Soap na lang. Soap. Maybe. Ivy. Soap. Soap. SP. What's P? Time. Wow. Umbrella. Say umbrella. Baby, say umbrella. Mary. Umbrella. Baby. Mary. Baby, sunod na kay mami. Umbrella. Sige. Sunod. Ano bang D? Base. Say base. Say base. Bang nagka-concentrate ang baby? Baby, nagpupupo ka? Ay, oo, nagpupupo ang baby. Let's cut the video na. Pupo muna, baby. Oo daw. Bye-bye na sa camera. Say bye na. Bye. Say bye-bye na. Bye.